What is good, family? It's the homie Bigg Vic. We back in the building with another video. Today, I think I'm about to really bless y'all with some goodness. This gonna be good. It's gonna be real good. So if you're doing anything right now, stop what you're doing and get ready to get this heat. I'm about to give y'all some fire right now. All right, it's about to be some fire. Let's go.
It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. It's Bigg Vic TV. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
All right, so we're gonna get right into this video, y'all. First of all, shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me. And let's get into this video. So something that's really big, something that's really major in the trucking space is you have wannabe brokers that will double broker a load, right? So let me explain how it works, because you may have had a load that was double brokered, but you just didn't know it. So I'm about to expose the brokers that do double brokering. These are brokers that just don't want to go get their own loads to post. They want to go find a load that's already posted and repost the load and dip into the profits from the carriers. This is a huge problem in the trucking space, right? It happens a lot. It happens quite often. So they're gonna be pissed off when I get this up right here. I'm giving y'all the game right now on what to look out for when it comes to a double broker load. Number one, first things first. If you go and book a load, right? And that broker tells you something like, all right, so when you when you get out to the shipper, just tell them that you're picking up for XYZ Logistics, right? You're telling them that you're picking up for that broker, but that rate confirmation should have your name on it as the carrier, right? That rate confirmation should have your information on there as the carrier, and that paperwork should have your name on it as the carrier. I want y'all to think about this, because you probably ran into this problem already and didn't even know it was happening. You was getting double brokered and it happened right up under your nose. I'll give you an example. Let's say I'm running a load for C.H. Robinson, right? I go pick up. I get to the shipper. I pick up that load. And my paperwork has an entirely different company on it as the pickup company. Doesn't have my company name up there as the company that's picking up this load. This game right here, y'all. This game, y'all better listen up. This game right here. Your company's name is not on that paperwork as the carrier, but you see another company's name down there. That load is being double broken. All right? Right? Because think about it. When you run a load for C.H. Robinson, you have an app, number one. And inside that app, it has your name as the carrier in there that's moving that load. Right? So why do you think a lot of these brokers that you cannot do the credit check doesn't come back good on them? Not only that, but you can't factor their load. Not in every scenario, but a huge percentage of them are double brokering loads. They'll go back and repost the load. They'll find the load out there and put it on the DAT load board, for example. When the whole time that load is paying twice, more than likely twice the money that you're running that load for. But if you dealt directly with that broker, you could have got the same amount of money. You could have got you could have got all the money for that load versus getting only a smaller portion of it by the load being double broker. I mean, it's not your fault, but it will start being your fault after you watch this video if you still run loads and not knowing that the load is being double brokered, which is bad business all around the spectrum of it. Like, it's bad business, period. So you guys got to watch out for these double brokers. Like, this is so despicable what these guys are doing. And then when they act super thirsty when they get super thirsty after you deliver that load, that ought to be another red flag for you. Like, hurry up and send me over the BOL as soon as you get it. Like, do you have to sign BOL? Like, you either get the phone call or they'll be texting you. Send me pictures of the freight. Send this, send that. Like, bro, relax. And it's so funny because I've experienced all of this already during my time, moving freight out here. So guys, you got to watch out for these double brokers, man. Double brokers. And if you really want to make them pay, somebody might disagree with this, but listen, if I factored that load, if I get to that shipper and I find out this load is being double brokered and I get the original broker's information and I call them directly and they say, hey, yeah, you guys can go ahead and move this load. You guys go ahead and move this load since we did find out it was being double brokered. And they paid me the real money for the load. And then the double broker, I already know I can't factor it with the double broker, but I can factor this load with my broker. And the double broker already knows. They think I'm going to go ahead and send them over the rate, not the Raycon. And the double broker is looking for me to send them over my BOL, the POD once everything is signed, so that they can get paid. That's what I might do. I already know I'm going to get paid from my factoring company. But to teach that double broker a really good lesson, I may go ahead and let them pay me anyway. Because they're not factoring my load anyway. What they're doing is they're paying me directly. They're paying me directly from their account. And then they're going to be waiting to get paid. So since you double brokered the load, I may just get your money plus get the money from the original broker, since you was trying to be slick. Now I'm gonna out slick the slickster. Y'all feel me? So you may get paid twice. That's all I'm saying. I ain't the one to gossip, but you ain't hear that from me. So you gotta watch out for these slicksters, these scammers, these double brokering scammers. You gotta watch out for them, guys. Watch out for them. These are the other games that they play out here. When they so thirsty for you to deliver the load, calling you 50 times, watch out. Watch out. Sometimes the original broker, they'll check up on you, make sure everything is good to go while you out there, over the road. Plus, a lot of them have tracking, on their apps, so they can kind of see where you're at anyway when you are out here moving the load. So yeah, just be wary, man. Be on 10. Stay on your P's and Q's. You know what I'm saying? Be on 100. Be alert. Know every aspect of your business. especially when you are booking loads with brokers you're unfamiliar with. It could be a double brokered load, 9 times out of 10. If you can't factor that load, it could be a broker that is double brokering your load. And it's not something that's hard to do. You know, think about it. When you have when you have a whole wave of new carriers coming into the business, looking for loads that they can run, you know, when the bigger brokers are telling them no, you know, they're kind of taking what they can get out here sometimes, not knowing that their loads is being double brokered. Y'all saw Trucking and James was just doing a video, doing a load. Found out his load was double brokered. C.H. Robinson was the original broker. Load paying well over $2,000. Double broker trying to move it for $1,000 or $1,100, somewhere around there. This is what I'm talking about. Y'all got to stay alert. Be aware. And I want to say this. I think some of you guys are starting to do better, even with the Amazon loads. I think y'all guys are starting to do better because I'm seeing a lot of these loads, especially in my area. A lot of carriers are not just taking these loads. It's either that or a lot of people that were renting trucks have turned them trucks in. Because I'm seeing like an influx of loads, especially in my area for Amazon loads. People are not even picking up like the $2.50 a mile loads, which I'm glad. I'm glad you guys are not taking those loads because that means Amazon has to pay more money to move those loads now. I applaud y'all for that. I can't clap because I'm holding the phone right now, but I applaud y'all for doing that. So, you know what I'm saying? It's up to us as the carriers to, you know, we don't have to book those loads. If we let the loads sit, the numbers have to go up because they have to move these loads, y'all. They have to move these loads. So don't get double brokered and don't take cheap freight. Y'all feel me? I'll see y'all in a minute, man. Probably on another video. I'm on my way to Atlanta right now. I'm going to connect with a few YouTubers / truckers that are in this space with us. And we're going to create some content. We're going to do some breakfast. We're going to do some lunch. We're going to do some dinner. We're going to do some lives. We're going to do a lot of video. We're going to create a lot of content so that we can keep bringing y'all guys value. Keep bringing you guys value to this community, man. That's what it's about. Value. Y'all feel me? Stormy Bigg Vic, man. I'm in the wind right now. See y'all in a minute. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's eat, baby. Peace.
Nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out